How to secure your retirement without a huge savings account. Not enough retirement savings? Here's what you can do. What happens when you reach retirement and realize your savings won't last? Most people think they need millions to retire, but that's simply not true. Let's talk about how to build financial security without relying on a massive savings account. If you can't save your way to secure retirement, you need to earn your way there. Here's how. 1. Leverage your skills and experience, consulting, part-time work, or online coaching. 2. Use your home as an asset, downsizing, renting out a room, or leveraging home equity. 3. Explore passive income streams, real estate, dividend stocks, or online business models. The reality, having multiple income streams gives you security no matter what happens to the economy. What's one alternative income idea you've considered for retirement? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Retirement isn't an age. It's a financial number. Let's make sure you reach it. Follow for more insights on retirement and financial security.